Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. Whenever you guys watching this video, you already know, greetings and salutations. We are definitely glad that you guys checking back in. Obviously, you're getting some value, you're getting some inspiration, you're getting some motivation. Whatever you're getting from it, even if it's just for the entertainment purposes, we definitely appreciate you guys coming through and checking back in with us. So, today's video is going to be about buttons. I know you're probably thinking, buttons? Yes, buttons. Great income generator. And the amount of return that you get back from doing buttons is just bananas. So I've been doing buttons, let me see, probably about 2 years. I didn't even start off doing buttons. I was actually thinking small, guys. I was actually saying I'm not gonna do buttons. It just don't really seem like anybody's gonna be interested in getting them. I don't really see many people having them out and about in the streets, like I'm walking around out and about in the streets. But anyway, I was just thinking stupid, guys. I was thinking like, if I need buttons, I'll just go to one of the liaisons or somebody that I know that does them, and I just get them to work me a deal. And that's actually how I started off. I mean, and I actually wholesale that to people as well if they don't want to get the button machine, if they don't want to do the word, whatever the situation. Like a lot of stuff people can do on their own, but they probably don't have the space, they don't really have the desire, they don't really want to, you know, just like my guy from Florida, he said he's going to Uber the gang. Some people just don't want to be bogged down to the equipment and having to store it and keep it up and maintain and all that stuff like that. So, you know, some people don't want to do buttons. That's fine. I was one of those people in the beginning. I didn't want to do buttons. I don't know what I was thinking, but let me tell you, I'm glad I changed my mind, because buttons are super duper profitable. Now, if you specialize strictly in buttons, it's extra super duper profitable. But for me and my business, buttons are like an impulse buy, because I have the poster like posted right in the front by the counter. So when you talking to me and you happen to look this way, boom, it's got the buttons. It's got the advertising, how much one is, how much it is if you want graphic design, how much it is if you want 100, how much it is if you want 200. And that 200 I give them away pretty much. But when you only want a few, I mean, they not expensive, but they make sense. So my whole decision on to do buttons in actuality was because I didn't start off with it, and I didn't know how valuable they were until I got my brick and mortar. But having a brick and mortar, you know, you have people walking in from just all over. The last guy that actually made me make the decision, one guy came in and was like, man, I got like 40 something pictures. I'm trying to put buttons all over a blue jean jacket. Man, he was getting ready to go out to a concert or something, and he needed them jokers done like by the next day, maybe the next 2 days or something. And, you know, I had my print partners, but, you know, when you're dealing with print partners, they not finna do like one picture 40. No. They'll do one picture 40 times, but they not about to do 40 different pictures one time a piece. So, man, I missed out on that money. And I was like, I started thinking like, man, he went somewhere and they probably charged him nice to do that, because that's a lot of work. You got to set all those pictures up. The setup fee, I mean, should have been a few dollars on top of whatever the buttons cost, because he had a lot of pictures. He came through with like a stack and was like, I got like 40, 50 something pictures. I want to put buttons all over my jacket. So I'm like, damn. I started doing my homework and I found some people. Actually, I found a lot of people. You're going to find a lot of people trying to do buttons. I'm going to tell you, man, you're going to make a lot of mistakes too if you just buying buttons and you're not dealing with a person like me, because they robbing people in the button game now. I guess it's popular. I guess people making money. They understand the power of it, but they're not going to sell you no button parts. Like, they really be leaving you out there. Like, I'm going to be able to offer you guys the button machine with 3 different dyes, with 3 different colors, because they'll sell you the button machine, no button parts, no cutters. Like, you still left to go and try to find somebody to do this. Now, some of them do have bulk packages. I mean, but I'm going to be able to offer you guys, look what I'm going to be able to do. I'm going to be able to give you a multi-purpose machine that you'll be able to use. It's going to come with 3 dies. It's going to come with a 3-inch die because that's my personal favorite. It's going to come with a 2.25 die. And I'm thinking either a 1.5 or, and I believe it is a 1.5, and a 1.5 die. The 1.5 dies are the small ones. Really popular for people that like putting a whole bunch of stuff all over the jacket. The 2.5 is a nice size die for people who want something bigger than that, but they don't want to spend the money on the 3-inch. So it's kind of like the in-between for like the cheap folks. But either which way is going to pay for itself. So you're going to get the machine. You're going to get the dies. You're going to get cutters with it. You're going to get button parts with it. Like you're going to get 100 button parts for each size. That comes with the Mylar, which is like the little plastic piece that goes on top. You get the button parts, the back of the shell, and the top. You got the machines and the dies. You rocking and rolling now. I'm going to tell you, you're going to get your money right back, because look how you're going to get your money back. Just the 3 inches. This is just the 3 inches. If you selling just the 3 inches at $5 a piece, and you got 100 parts, this is to start you off to play with, whatever. You got 100 pieces. It's going to pay for itself in the 103 inches. You still got 200 more buttons to make money up off of. So the 1.5s, I mean, you can sell them in a course. Like the 1.5s, you can probably sell those for $250. The 2.25s, you can probably sell those for $350. And the 3-inch, you sell that for $5. That's what I would do. That's what I do in my business. I mean, so, man, you're going to make your money back. 100 at $250, that's $250. 100 at $350, that's $350. That's $600 profit, and you made your $500 back. So you made $1,100 back on your purchase of a $500 box. You more than doubled your money back. Guys, I be trying to show y'all how to get this money, man. Like, and that's just a one-time paparini. The next time you buy button parts and you get them from me, man, you can get like 1,000. I'm going to get you that 1,000 button parts before around $200. $200. Now, you're only going to get one size in this now, but you get 1,000 3-inch button parts for around $200. Listen, guys, 1,000 button parts. Even if you selling them at $3 a piece, and that's lowballing, but let's just average it out to $3 if you wholesaling some, you putting some in bulk packages, because a lot of people gonna come and they're gonna say, look, I want 25 buttons. If you're doing artwork or got your graphic design on deck and he doing that artwork for you, that 25 order might turn into 100 real quick. I'm gonna be honest with you. So you can't sell one button at the same price that you're gonna sell 100 buttons at. So y'all gonna have to figure out some wholesale pricing. But once you get that together, I'm saying just $3 a piece, you got 1,000 button parts. That's $3,000. The button parts costing you $200. That's crazy, guys. Like, I'm giving it away, man. I'm giving the game up, man. I mean, because I've learned it. I've done my thing. Now it's time for me to step my game up to show people what it is. Man, I've been doing this video for a long time without no hat on, huh? Looking kind of young and sexy. But anyway, yeah, guys, let me throw my joint on, you dig? You dig? Me throw my joint on, man. Let y'all know what's cracking out here. You understand me? But anyway, guys, yeah, man. So look, the machine, you know, it costs a little money in the beginning. You only getting 300 button parts, but you getting so much with it. You getting your molds. You're getting 3 different molds. You're getting 3 cutters. You're getting 1 machine. That's bananas in itself. Like, you can do packages. Like, man, it's just crazy. Like, you're gonna make your money back. Anything that I'm telling you to do, if you take it and you run with it, you definitely gonna get your money back. It's not gonna be a problem, not whatsoever. And that's just what it is. And actually, I'm gonna take you guys in the inside, because we're in the back of the shop right now. I'm just doing this video, just want to get it out the way. But I'm gonna take you guys in the inside, and I'm gonna actually show you the little setup. I'm gonna do a button. I'm gonna show you how it works, and you know, you're gonna be like, man, that's really easy. And it is. It's easy money. It's an easy purchase. It's an easy process. It's just a beautiful thing, guys. So Give me a second. Nope, don't give me a second. Guys, I wanted to let you know, this is actually, this video here that you guys are watching, man, these videos be going too long. But this video that you guys are watching right now, I just posted my very first talking video yesterday. It went online last night at like 12 midnight. I'm not even going to advertise that page until I got at least like 10 videos up. So if you guys are watching this button video, you can refer back to the very first talking video. Now, I probably got about 40-something videos on there before that, but that was just showing, you know, the artwork, things that we do in the shop. But these talking videos, I'm actually trying to put people on this game. I'm trying to take my business to another level. I'm trying to help out as many people as possible, because people keep asking me questions. I can't answer them all, like on actual phone calls. I can't meet up with everybody. I don't have the time to do the classes. So you guys can check into these videos and get all this free information, like this free game. I'm giving it up. All y'all gotta do is pay attention. So anyway, this video is probably the 12th or 13th video that I've done, but I just posted my first video yesterday. It took me a long time to get that up there. I'm gonna have to do some videos. If you guys are interested in actually doing videos and learning, I should be documenting that stuff too, but I just want to keep it about my business right now. But I'm gonna do some videos probably in the future about uploading stuff to YouTube, things that you guys need to know. I mean, I'm finding out a lot of stuff, man. It's very time consuming doing these videos, doing editing, recording them, showing you how to use the equipment, but I ain't tripping. Because like I said, I'm gonna do my business the same way that I'm trying to explain to certain people how to do the music. Man, you gotta put the content out, show the people what it is and let it grow organically. Or you might want to put some money behind some marketing and get out there and pound the pavement, talk to some people. Nothing wrong with that either. But my decision is to just put out the content. I'm trying to put out, well, no, it's not gonna be no trial. I'm putting out 2 videos a week. We're gonna be dropping them on Mondays, and we're gonna be dropping them on Friday. So this next Friday, today is don't even worry about what today is, but on Friday, so on Mondays and Fridays I'm dropping videos. Y'all just make sure to check into those, and that's what it is, man. So I'm loving this thing, man. We doing it. I'm gonna keep on doing it. I'm trying to give this game up to as many people that's interested in knowing it, because this is just a beautiful thing, man. Like, I don't even want to get into it. Guys, look, let me go inside and show you how to use the equipment. Alright guys, so we inside. So I'm about to do this video. I'm going to show you real fast. This is actually something that we printed up a few days ago for somebody. Rest in peace to the matriarch. I think I showed y'all the t-shirt that was on there. Some more of the family members came by and wanted to get some buttons. So I'm going to show you how to do that real fast, and we're going to zip up out of here. Bink.